Hola, and Bonjour, PBMA families. This is Mrs. Solorzano with your weekly update for the week of September 19th, 2025. We have lots of exciting news to share, so let's dive right in. Tomorrow, Saturday, September 20th at 8:30 a.m., we will meet at Lantana Beach for the International Coastal Cleanup. All participants must bring a signed waiver to join in. Let's come together, show our shark pride, and help keep our oceans clean. Sharks, the countdown is on. Get ready for Chipotle night. This Monday, September 22nd from 4 to 8 p.m. Bring your family and friends to Chipotle and support our safety patrols. Every meal you order helps our patrols get closer to their big trip to Washington, D.C. And here's the best part. There's no school the next day. There will be no school this Tuesday, September 23rd, in observance of a fall holiday. Our open house is coming up on Thursday, September 25th at 5:30 for the elementary campus and 6 p.m. for the secondary campus. This is the perfect time for new families to visit our school, meet teachers, and see what makes PBMA such a special place to learn. If you know a family looking for a great school, please invite them to join us for our open house. Let's grow our shark family together. It's time for a message from our elementary school counselor, Mrs. Stein.
Hi families, just a quick reminder, we recently sent home updated housing forms. Even if you already turned one in during enrollment, we do need you to complete and return the new updated form. Please send it back with your child as soon as possible so we can make sure we have everything up to date. Thanks so much for your help.
We're excited to share that the Explore team for the Elementary Campus Lego League, which meets on Tuesdays, will now be opening to second graders. This program gives students the chance to build, design, and problem solve while working together as a team. If your second grader is interested, please sign up with Miss Martin. The Safety Patrol Chocolate Fundraiser is happening now. Our patrols are selling $1 chocolate bars to raise money for their upcoming trip to Washington, D.C. Flavors include milk chocolate, dark chocolate, caramel, crispy, and almond. There is something to satisfy every sweet tooth. Parents, don't stop at just one bar. Buy a whole box. Purchasing a full box makes it easy to share with family and friends. Bring to work and treat your coworkers. Have snacks ready for after-school or weekend activities, or use them as a simple thank you gift for your neighbors, coaches, or teachers. Every box you buy brings our safety patrols closer to their Washington, D.C. trip, while spreading a little sweetness along the way. A full box is $60 for 60 pieces. Thank you for supporting our students. We're excited to announce that our PBMA Fall Fundraiser has officially started. This fundraiser is for our elementary campus and also for secondary students who participate in the first 2 lunches. From now until October 1st, families and friends can shop online using our school code 72607. Students can earn credit towards prizes and help support our school at the same time. And the prizes are awesome. You could win a dancing robot, a screeching chicken, wireless party speakers, and so much more. The more you sell, the more you earn. Plus, if you reach the goal, you'll get to attend our chocolate fountain party. Elementary students need to sell 8 items, and secondary students in the first 2 lunches only need to sell 5 items to join the party. Remember, safety first, no door-to-door selling. Share the fundraiser link with family and friends instead. Shark families, get ready to roll. PBMA is hosting Skate Night at Astro Skate Family Fun Center on Thursday, October 16th from 6 to 8 p.m. Admission is just $12. The address is 3100 Jog Road in Greenacres. And here's the best part, there's no school the next day. We can't wait to see you there. Thank you to all our sharks who participated in Dot Day. The campus was full of creativity and color as students and staff showed off their dots. This special day was about making our mark, being brave, and celebrating the power of creativity. We are so proud of how our students embraced the spirit of Dot Day and made it such a success. PBMA is excited to recognize Hispanic Heritage Month. This special month is all about honoring the achievements, culture, and history of Hispanic and Latino Americans. Students will have opportunities to learn through stories, art, music, and classroom activities that celebrate the beauty and diversity of Hispanic traditions. By learning together, we build understanding, respect, and pride in the many cultures that make up our community.
Secondary students. Picture Day at the secondary campus will be Wednesday, September 24th.
And here are some elementary campus highlights. In Ms. Rivera's art class, students have been creating beautiful pieces in honor of Hispanic Heritage Month. Inspired by Hispanic and Latino artists, cultures, and traditions, our sharks explored color, pattern, symbolism, while learning about the stories behind the art. From bold designs to thoughtful details, their work showcases pride, creativity, and cultural appreciation. We're proud of our young artists. Thank you, Ms. Rivera, for guiding such meaningful, hands-on learning. In Ms. Hepburn's kindergarten class, scholars have been busy learning and using exciting writing strategies to craft their very own original stories. Recently, they celebrated with a special publishing party where students proudly shared their first kindergarten books. Each young author received an award to honor this big milestone. And in Miss Cassie's media class, students celebrated International Dot Day with fun and creative activities in the Marie Terciaro Media Center. Scholars worked on hands-on projects inspired by the book, The Dot by Peter H. Reynolds, exploring how a single dot can spark imagination, courage, and creativity. From colorful artwork to interactive activities, students had the chance to express themselves and make their mark in unique ways. This week in Ms. Hecker's STEM class, students got to experiment with ramps and forces. Kindergarten and first grade sharks learned about the force of gravity and got to conduct free exploration. Second and third grade sharks asked the question, which ramp height will make the toy car go the farthest? And they collected data to test their hypothesis. Fourth and fifth grade sharks asked the same question, but they also used technology to visualize the data. Awesome job following the scientific method this week, sharks. In Miss Owen's kindergarten class, students have been busy with fun activities that mix learning and creativity. They worked with letters and words, and even did an art project painting with apples. Our kindergarten sharks are doing a great job learning and creating together. Come with me to check out Miss Hecker's STEM class. Hello, Miss Hecker.
Hello, welcome
Hello,
in.
class. Hello. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Pretty good.
Good.
What are you guys working on?
So we're working on the scientific method. So STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. Today we did some science. The scientific method is a process, well, scientific is science and method is a process of doing something. So scientific method is the process of doing science. Every scientific method starts with asking a question. The question we asked today was how does ramp height affect the distance a toy car travels? And we gathered information, so we talked about forces. Everybody, what is a force? A force is a push or a pull. Awesome. A force is a push or a pull. And we talked about a special kind of force called gravity. What does gravity do? Gravity pulls us in. And normally, gravity falls straight down. Can I borrow your car? Yeah. Thank you. Gravity falls straight down. So if I were to let go of the car, it would go straight down. But the ramp makes it so that it falls that way. All right, you can put it back on the tray. So we did an experiment to see if a ramp that is higher will make the car go farther, or if the ramp that is lower will make the car go farther. And I think if you want to ask them about it, they can tell you what our results were.
Wow, so I heard that you were going to be working on an experiment. Can you tell me about the experiment and what the results were? Oh, you're ready. Go ahead, tell me.
We got the board and put it up.
Okay.
We got the car and put it, and Miss Hyper said to check which one was hot, which one was come farther. So we checked it, and higher was the one that came.
Mm-hmm. Wow, great job. Does anybody else want to talk about the results and what they learned? Oh, I see some hands right over here. Go ahead, talk to us. So we use this piece here as a
ramp.
As a ramp. Very good. And what did the ramp do?
So the ramp, I put the car here. The ramp, when I put it right here, the ramp, the ramp.
It moved.
Yes.
Awesome. Who else wants to talk about today's experiment? Go ahead, talk to us.
So, if we use the cardboard box to slide the car down, it makes a different distance every time.
Awesome. All right, class. Who likes science? Who's going to be a scientist when they grow up? Very good. Good job. Here are some secondary campus highlights. On this week's episode of The Wave Makers, our student production team put together an exciting lineup of stories and features. The episode begins with shark bites. The production team then moves into sports updates, featuring highlights from recent matchups. These segments showcase the energy, teamwork, and school spirit our athletes bring to every game. Altogether, episode 6 of The Wave Makers reflects the hard work of our students in front of and behind the camera as they capture the many ways PBMA Sharks continue to learn, grow, and make waves. A few weeks ago, our senior class had the amazing opportunity to visit the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise for Jimmy Buffett Day 2025. Seniors enjoyed a tour of the ship, learning more about life and operations at sea while also experiencing a fun and memorable day together. Well, we recently received a kind thank you note from the Margaritaville crew, who shared how much they enjoyed welcoming our sharks on board. They also sent us a special folder of photos from the event, which we are excited to share with you. A big thank you to the entire Margaritaville team for giving our seniors this unique learning experience.
Hey PBMA sports fans, Coach Storkel here on Monday. The boys flag football team at PBMA traveled up 95 to face Slam in their 4th game of the season. The Sharks slam on both sides of the ball, winning the game in a blowout victory, 34-6. DeAndre, Sherrod, and Anthony Zock both had interceptions, returned for touchdowns on defense, while Derek Jackson, Didier Jaquez, and Alonzo Inirio all scored touchdowns on offense. Then on Tuesday, the Sharks lost a tough game to crosstown rival Somerset DBK, 18-13. We are now 4-1 on the season. Let's go Sharks.
Thank you, PBMA families, for helping our Sharks be respectful, responsible, and ready every single day. Be sure to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you on Monday. Goodbye, adios, and au revoir.